Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another video with the Bitblond, the craziest blonde in a word about crypto. Before we get into any content, I would love to do my quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You, as always, must do your own market research. All right, let's get straight into the content. Today, let's just have a look on a Bitcoin price and what could potentially play out this week. Now, the past weeks has been actually boring, loads of bearish sentiment, but however, Bitcoin is still holding inside the support, and I believe it's gonna be a great, interesting week for us. And it's currently Wednesday, right? So sometimes everything that we have to do is be very, very passionate. Okay, even me, sometimes I do lose lose the momentum on the passion side, but you have to wait. Everything is about waiting in this industry. So let's just jump straight into the BTC price that is currently at 111.782 today, Wednesday, 7:48 Dubai time, and probably US market just opened. And yeah, unfortunately, sometimes we're still very correlated. However, comparing to our current world economy, Bitcoin is still one of the greatest assets out there. And I'm very happy to see all the adoption going on, not only in the United States, but other countries too. And I believe that it's going to, be great for crypto still, because the more problems the government has, guess what? The better is for us, because we're here to bring something different, right? Transparent to the market. Anyways, going back to the convo, Bitcoin price, it could potentially retest the previous resistance somewhere around 124, 125K, still a next target price. However, we can still have a look around the mid range, which is currently 117, 118. That would be the mid range. But as you can see, this is support, this is resistance, and even failing around here, we managed to hold. And trading is not perfect, and the graph plays out differently, but sooner or later it's going to go up to the resistance one more time, as it seems to be quite bullish today. Okay, and let's just check the sentiment overall at coin market cap. Let me just share my screen with you. I hope you can hear me. Okay, so according to coin market cap today, the market cap is currently sitting at 3.84 trillion, a 1.22% increase, right? So it's not bad. Fear ingredient index is kind of turning into neutral again at 42, and altcoin season apparently, it's kind of at the same place, but I believe that altcoin season, it might happen soon. It depends on what's going to happen also to BTC, and likewise, anyways, here you can see the trending. Today I've noticed that we have some memes pumping around, and the most trendable today is purple peppy. So now I'm not encouraging you to buy, but however, you can do your own research. And if you have money to play with these meme coins, sometimes they can be very, very profitable. But if you stick to one thing or two that works for you, it's all it takes. As I always tell you, you do not have to catch every single opportunity in trading. Just find one or two things that works for you, whether if it's meme coins, altcoins, or Bitcoin and Ethereum. It works pretty well. I'm personally very into Bitcoin, and some kind of altcoins too, but it's just like I like to trade things that I kind of follow a lot. Anyways, opportunities are there, and they are there for sure. According to Cointelegraph, the latest article, let's have a look together. Let me know, how is your financial life going, boys? Anyways, jokes aside, Bitcoin price stage 2 week downtrend breakout with 112K the next target. Bitcoin added to its downtrend reversal signals with a daily close beyond key trend line, but not everyone is convinced that bulls are safe. The key point, Bitcoin manages a daily close outside its downtrend for the first time since mid August. This means that A breakout should be confirmed according to analysis. The BTC price expectations vary between traders, with money still expecting new lows. Bitcoin is currently at 111.710, has a new reversal signal that could end 2 weeks of BTC price losses. Analysis heated. Here we have the screenshots um, by Cointelegraph and TradingView. Bitcoin just breaking the descending triangle, kinda, and the BTC price closed above the key trend line. The data from Cointelegraph, Market Pro, and TradingView revealed that BTC USD closing outside downward trend line for the first time since August 13. Bitcoin proponents are eager to see confirmation that the bulk of the latest bull market correction is over. Early cues such as bullish divergence on the relative strength index RSI have accompanied a rebound from multi-week lows of 107.270. Now the entire retracement from August, its all-time highs, it's being challenged on the daily chart as noted by trader and analyst. Red Capital Tuesday, a daily candle so the breakthrough several weeks on a downward resistance, something that price ultimately succeed in doing. The BTC is attempting to break its 2-week all daily downtrend. He wrote in an X post at the time and mentioned the daily close above the downtrend or the post breakout retest would confirm the breakout. And here's the screenshot provided by Rect Capital on a downtrend or descending, whatever you want to call line trending. However, Bitcoin traders eye on a 112k short liquidations. The BTC USD circle 100k at the time of rating on Wednesday ahead of some key US macroeconomic data prints. Notice that we kind of changed the price already with the hour, so we're still waiting to see on the 4 hourly time frame. Among the market participants, however, opinions continue to diverge over the fate of the Bitcoin bull market. Calls for a retest over 100k or lower remained, with pseudonymous trader and analyst. The second capo of crypto, knows for his bearish market takes, telling X followers to get ready for impact on the day and mention get ready for impact on a post on X. Okay, money place importance on 112k as a resistance flip target. Very keen to see that BTC can do at this resistance, crypto trader, analyst, and entrepreneur Michael van der Pope summarized. And here we have the screenshots and, his personal analysis. So you can zoom in and do your own, research. That area considered with a patch of asking liquidity on exchange order books as flagged by CoinGlass. Liquidations building above 112 and 112.4k. Trader Killer noted with fellow trader done crypto trades calling at 114k, a major area to watch for the same reason. And here we have the BTC liquidation heat map, which is quite important too. So you just can zoom in and have your own look. And that's the current sentiment for this week. We're all waiting on the Bitcoin to retest one more time 112, 114, or even a bit higher. However, I hope that we're going to hold at these prices on the trading side. But long term talking, I believe that is still one of the best assets out there, right? And if you are attending Blockchain Live Forum, links down below, and let's have a crypto coffee. And commonly, guys, that's all we have to do. Personally, waiting and DCA at the moment. If you're not trading already, and again, this position is being playing out for some time, probably a week at the moment. But it's not a bad sign, on my perspective, to be holding and consolidating at the price that we were. It's not a bad sign, but you never know. It's all a probability on a trading side, but you know that longer term, Bitcoin always wins, and I like to stand for BTC. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Let me know how this trading week will play out on your opinion, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.